everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making spring radish salad. What all goes into the spring radish salad? 1 bunch of red radishes, finely cubed, about 1½ cups. Take a small bowl, put in your 1 bunch of red radishes, which is about 1½ cups, finely cubed, and add your 1/2 cup of finely chopped parsley. Mix that together. Then add the juice of 1 lemon, or to taste, and your salt and pepper to taste. And this is kosher salt and fresh ground pepper. Whoa! Fresh ground, lots of pepper. Toss that. Hopefully it's not too much pepper. It just all came out at once. Usually I do that with the salt. Well, I don't think I got pepper all in one spot. I think I'll be okay. Add 1 tablespoon of the olive oil, and then toss once more. I like the fact that it's not a big bowl full of salad because it's just going to be me and Dave. Radishes are kind of hot, so we'll see how well that works. And it says to serve more or less right away, but Dave's not going to be home yet. He ended up having to take a break for 30 minutes. We'll probably put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And the reason why you eat it right away is to keep the radishes crunchy. And I'm thinking if you put it in the refrigerator, it may soften up a little bit. So keep that in mind. I'll let you know whether it did soften in the refrigerator or not. Put a lid on it and let it hang out in the refrigerator till Dave gets home. So here is the spring radish salad. Rounding out the meal is pork and beans and a pork chop. Let's see what Dave thinks. Yes.
Don't recognize that.
That's it. Sounds crunchy.
It's very crunchy and green. I don't have any idea what this is.
Love that. That is spring radish salad.
Okay.
It's pretty much parsley and radish.
Well, obviously I don't eat much radishes since I didn't even know what they were. It's it's not bad, but it's not my favorite thing I've ever eaten. But I don't normally eat radishes, so I don't know if this is it's got a little vinegar or something in it.
Lemon juice and olive oil.
Oh, okay. It's not bad. I don't think I would request it, but for somebody that likes radishes, I'm guessing it would be pretty good. I get is that cilantro or
Parsley.
parsley? Okay, you might have said that. I get more of the green than anything.
Yeah, I think there was a little bit too much green.
It's not too much, but that's the thing I can distinguish. And like I said, I don't know what radishes taste like, so I'm assuming that they taste like this. It's okay. I don't think it would be anything that I would personally request, but it's not nasty or anything. It's just not my thing.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.